Now the whole unboxing and setup process has been made very simple. I mean, right out of the box, you get all of the instructions, all of the parts, everything that you're going to need to install this toilet. And this is something that you can actually install yourself, but the toilet itself is actually already all put together in the box. So you're not having to put any pieces together on the toilet itself. Once you have the old toilet removed, if the existing flange looks like it's still in good condition, you can always reuse that, which is what I personally did, or you can replace it with the flange that the new toilet comes with. But once you have that set up, you are going to have to put in 2 little brackets on each side. This is going to help line the toilet up and keep it nice and secure. Once you do that, you can put the wax ring on the bottom of the toilet, stick it on there really good, and then you can just simply drop the toilet into place. Like I said, the toilet's all put together, ready to go. You do have 2 hoses in the back, which you will have to connect, and it does come with an adapter for that as well. But the whole process has been made very simple for us. But once you do have the toilet installed and ready to go, it is ready to start taking care of you.